Welcome to another video quiz from Access Learning Zone. Today's quiz is for expert level users. Going to be 5 questions coming at you fast. If you need more time, hit that pause button. Keep track of your score. You ready? Here we go. Question 1. When a combo box is used to select a related customer for a contact, what should normally be stored in the contact record? The customer's primary key value, the customer's full name as text, a copy of all customer fields, or the position of the customer in the list. That's going to be the customer's primary key value. Question 2. What's the main job of a primary key field in an Access table? It formats text consistently, it uniquely identifies each record, it automatically sorts every query, or it hides duplicate records. That's an easy one. It uniquely identifies each record. Question 3. What happens when the key column in a related combo box is hidden? Access cannot store the selected value. The key is deleted from the source table. The key is not displayed, but it can still be stored, or the combo box becomes read-only. That is C. The key is not displayed, but it can still be stored, and the next column is the displayed column. Question 4. Why might you use a query as the row source for a combo box instead of using a table directly? To display calculated or combined fields in the list, to turn the combo box into a report, to prevent users from selecting records, or to remove the need for relationships. That's to display a calculated or combined field in the list. Question 5. What does an invalid control source error on a bound form control usually mean? The form has too many records. The control refers to a field not available in the form's record source. The table's primary key is hidden, or the form needs to be converted to a report. That is B. The control refers to a field not available in the form's record source. How'd you do? Did you get all 5? Did you reboot Windows without losing Solitaire? Or did you double click on my computer and get nervous? If you missed any, these topics and a lot more are covered in Access Expert Level 1, Lesson 4 on relational combo boxes. Thanks for playing. Post your score down below, and until next time, live long and prosper.